This program is brought to you by the Ministry of Education and Vocational Training Zanzibar in collaboration with Good Neighbors. The program is funded by KOICA.
Dear listener, you may learn useful concepts of physics in this program as far as you pay your attention to listen. However, our program today is specially for Form 2 physics learners. The program will provide free discussion on A. Differences between speed and velocity. Differences between speed and velocity. B. The SI unit of speed and velocity. The SI unit of speed and velocity. C. The determined average of velocity of a body. The determined average velocity of a body. For our lovely teacher, this program will help you to prepare a simple lesson for your students so that they will learn with joy, improve their performance and competence.
Now listen to this. What is happening there?
What? Let me see through the window.
Hey, the students, they are running faster.
Yes, they are. What's wrong there?
The boys and girls are running, but I think they have competition.
Really?
Yeah, I know them. They are in standard 5.
Obviously, yes.
Have a look over there.
What?
Look! That one there is my friend called Shaheen.
Shaheen?
Yes. She ran a distance of 100 meters on the playground.
Maybe she won the race.
Yes, my friend won the 100-meter race.
Wonderful and fantastic. Oh, the distance traveled was 100 meters. Nice.
Could we say that the displacement traveled was 100 meters?
You are right, my friend. And I think you are talking about speed and velocity.
Exactly. And it seemed that there are similarities between the two terms, distance and displacement.
You are right. Not only similarities, but also there are some differences between them.
Can you tell me the similarities between them?
Why not, Salma? Listen carefully, okay?
Okay.
The SI unity is the same, as well as both of them are fundamental physical quantities.
Brilliant. That's good.
Okay.
What about differences?
Well, they differ in the particular direction.
Can you elaborate, please?
No problem. The distance is the interval between 2 points. While displacement is the interval between 2 points in the specific direction.
You said the distance is...
The distance is the interval between 2 points, while displacement is the interval between 2 points in the specific direction.
Wow. Can we say that displacement is the distance in the specific direction?
Perfect. The displacement is the distance in the specific direction.
Thank you.
Anytime.
Is there another difference between them?
Yes, of course. Distance is the scalar quantities, while displacement is a vector quantity.
Alright. The distance is the scalar quantities, while displacement is a vector quantity.
That's right.
Okay, and what do you mean by the term scalar and vector quantity?
Okay. A scalar quantity is a physical quantity with magnitude only, while vector quantity is a physical quantity with magnitude as well as direction.
A scalar quantity is...
A scalar quantity is a physical quantity with magnitude only, while vector quantity is a physical quantity with magnitude as well as direction.
Well done, my friend.
Thank you.
And big up for your answer.
No problem. Salma,
Yes?
I'm worrying about those cars. I don't think so,
Why not?
because those cars are wider and have low center of gravity. So even if they are moving around the corner in speedy, they will not overturn.
Big up for your response.
Okay.
But,
Do you have any doubt?
well, what do you mean when you are saying that the cars are moving speedy?
I mean, those cars are moving fast with respect to each other. Even though I have remembered something.
Which one?
Once upon a time, we have learned the term that refer on the distance and time. Can you remember it?
Yes. It was the distance per unit time, isn't it?
You are right. Could you tell me the physical quantity that stands for that relation?
Yes, I can. That is speed.
Oh, good, Salma.
Thank you. Can you help me with the meaning of the term speed?
No problem. The speed is the distance per unit time.
Can you repeat, please?
The speed is the distance per unit time.
Okay, you said the speed is the distance per unit time.
That's right.
Is there any more information?
Yes. The speed is used to express the distance traveled around the corner or even the street.
You are a clever boy.
Thank you so much.
I have remembered something which is related with the speed.
What is that, Salma?
That is velocity.
Excellent. Can you tell us more about velocity?
Yes. The velocity is related with displacement.
That's right. The velocity is the displacement per unit time.
Good. Velocity is the displacement per unit time. But it seems that there are some relations between speed and velocity.
Are you sure?
Yeah, and not only similarities, but also there are differences between them.
For example?
Yes. Speed and velocity all are derived quantities.
Fine, but how can you prove it?
Alright. Because they have the same SI unit.
Can you tell us its SI unit, please?
Yes. The SI unit of speed and velocity is meter per second.
Alright. You have finished my words today.
Fine. Now let's see their differences. Are you ready?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Speed is the scalar while velocity is the vector quantity. Are we together?
Yes.
Now listen to this.
Okay.
Velocity can be 0, negative, or positive, whilst velocity can be 0, negative, or positive,
Okay.
while speed can never be negative or 0.
Oh, it seems you are bright in speed and velocity.
Thank you.
Anytime.
But keep in mind that an object may possess different velocities,
Okay.
while the speed may or may not be equal to velocity.
An object may possess what? Can you repeat, please?
An object may possess different velocities,
Alright.
while the speed may or may not be equal to velocity.
Thank you so much, Sam.
You're welcome.
Can you tell me more differences, please?
Of course, yes.
Okay.
But don't laugh at me, please.
Don't worry.
Okay. A car speedometer
Okay.
can help you determine the difference between speed and velocity.
Are you serious, Salma?
Yes, I'm very serious.
Okay, good. But can you elaborate your point?
Okay. If the speed limit is 45 km per hour, it will read 45 km per hour. So if you drive for 45 kilometers, you will take an hour.
Okay.
The road turns, the shape does not matter.
So, what matters?
Only the ground covered.
Sorry?
If you drive for 45 kilometers, you will take an hour.
Alright.
The road turns and the shape does not matter. Only the ground covered.
Oh, really, Salma?
Why not? That is true and applicable in our life.
You have reminded me something, Salma. Can I tell you?
Yes, tell me.
When you measure the velocity of anything, remember to mention the direction explicitly.
Why so?
Well, if your car is traveling rapidly and it returns to its initial position, the velocity will be 0.
Fantastic. I'm so proud on your concrete reason.
Thanks, but I'm not the only one. Even you look genius also.
Are you exhausted?
Of course, yes.
Can you say anything?
Of course, yes, but what I need is just a cool and cold drink only.
Let me serve you.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
It is much cold water. Take the glass, please.
Thank you for drinking.
Anytime.
Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe mjini. Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe kijijini. Soma, soma mwana soma, ukiwa na mahitaji maalum. Soma, soma mwana soma.
Thank you very much, Salma and Musa. I was close to a discussion and I'm so happy. Hopefully, our dear listener has gained a lot through our discussion. Now, here are the questions about the topic for further discussion. Dear listener, the natural discussion about the speed and velocity is now close to the end. According to the discussion, average velocity involves only the displacement of the object. For this reason, to describe the rate of motion over a path, we use average speed. The average speed is defined as a total path length traveled divided by the total time interval of the motion. Now, here is a few questions of the topic for further discussion. Show the differences between speed and velocity. Show the differences between speed and velocity. What do you understand by the terms average velocity and average speed? What do you understand by the terms average velocity and average speed? Here is the end of this program, but you are so welcomed in the next program. And until next time, bye-bye.
You can be a pilot, you can be a doctor, you can be a soldier, you can be a lawyer. If you believe you can, if you start hard you win. If you believe you can, if you start hard you win. Let's win together, 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 together. Let's win together, 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 together. Happy, 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 happy. Radio class. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy, happy. Radio class. Happy, 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 happy.
You can be a good father, a good mother, a good leader. You can be a good father, a good mother, a good leader.
Let's